What's up, homie? It's Tony. It is officially started our tour in Shanghai. This is me second time come to Shanghai. And we have three things to do in Shanghai. Number one, we meet Pokimane. Number two, we meet Jake. And number three, it's me personal. I'm going to a Kanye concert. And now we're on our way to meet with Jake. Hope everything works out. It's gonna be our first time meet Pokimane, so we got some present for her. This is a split type neon sign packed in bubble film. It says Pokimane, subscribe, connect to it with the battery case. Inside is batteries that you can exchange by yourself. I don't know if she's gonna like this. We'll find out. Very delicious stuff. Not like anything I've had before. It's very good. So good. Very tasty. And it's free for me. Awesome. This is our standard packing. It comes with a bubble film.
Very secure.
Yeah. Shock resistant, moisture resistant.
Whoa. What do you mean shock resistant? Like you can drop it?
Yeah, you can drop it and it won't, like, yeah. During transit by UPS or FedEx. Very nice companies, by the way.
Really? That sounded like something Trump would say.
Yeah. This is a split type neon sign.
Yes.
Come with a cut the shape design. The backboard is 100% raw material acrylic.
Water's over it. Here. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
There we go.
Yeah.
谢谢.
Come with a minimum 1 year's warranty for this kind of neon sign.
You know what I
also,
think of this?
Yeah?
Ka-ai.
Okay, awesome. Awesome.
Ka-ai. 谢谢.
Yeah.
I like the lettering.
Yes?
How is this made? It's like squishy.
Yeah, so on the surface here, it's actually silicone. And we use the CNC machine to draw these grooves on the piece of acrylic board. And then we put the LED lights all over it. And then we cover it with silicone.
Very cool.
Yeah, to create a neon effect. One of our most hot-selling products. Yeah.
What if someone wanted this exact sign?
You want this exact sign?
Yeah.
You can take a screenshot of this and it goes to the LCSIGN page and send to our link in our bio.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah.
I like the promo. Thank you so much.
Oh, awesome.
Very
okay.
kind.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Awesome.
Tony.
Thank you.
We hug with the sign between us. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Isn't it though?
This is a portable LED letter sample box. Come with a variety of size and design we can do for LED letters.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, any size and shape can be customized.
And you can pick and choose whatever size and lettering you want.
Yeah.
And
it comes with a 3 years warranty for all kinds of using scenarios. Indoor or outdoor use, it's got you covered. All these signs come with CE&UL certifications shipping worldwide within 7 to 10 days. The total turnaround time is 15 to 20 days. And this sample box right here come with buttons separately for you to showcase to your customers of how they look like on or off.
So you can be a businessman just like Tony, right?
Yeah, exactly.
可爱。
可爱, no, 可爱.
I didn't. I'm not gonna lie. I did not expect us to.
Oh no. For healthy.
Oh man. I play jungle.
What is jungle? Oh, yeah.
You can smell it.
Because I need to know, like, this is like like the original art craft, or is it like?
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is all the signs. The popular ones, models we have. These are neon signs. A flexible, integrated type. And these down here are 180-degree neon sign. They're waterproof, perfectly suitable for outdoors. Just the price is higher than these flexible PVC neons. And up here is the most classy and high-end effect ones. These are all made of acrylic, 2 pieces of acrylic combined together. These we call it 360-degree neon. And down here are all the LED channel letters. We have this one, rimless letter here.
Rimless?
Rimless letter.
No
In the
way.
face, you see, it has no cover over it. And this is also a rimless letter, but it comes with the backlit effect.
Whoa.
Compared to this one, it's just face lit.
Yep.
And this one is a side lit letter. The front is covered by a piece of stainless steel with brushed effect on the surface. You can see it's a special treatment we put on the metal.
Whoa.
Japan or
Got
whatever.
it.
You know,
Okay.
it's like that.
See you guys next time. Hope you all enjoyed your weekend. 翻講咗啦，係啊，冇錯，冇錯。
All right.
Anyways,
Alright, guys.
yeah, bye. Bye bye.